Ethereum's price is about to explode. Well, at least according to the data it is, because right now we are seeing 4 major catalysts take place for Ethereum that we have never seen before in the history of Ethereum's blockchain. This is the first time ever. So in today's video, we're going to talk about exactly what is going on with Ethereum, and we're going to try and keep this one short and concise because I hate wasting your time. And if you guys enjoy these sort of short form updates, let me know by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, turning on the bell notifications, and also don't forget to check out our Patreon group using the link down below. We talk about exclusive content, buy and sell alerts, access to Discord, and a lot more. So let's get right into it. First, this is probably the least exciting out of the 4 catalysts, but it is still important. The first is with regards to institutional investors. Right now, we're seeing big investors continue to dump Bitcoin futures and Bitcoin investments in general to switch over to Ethereum. This has been a trend that we have seen happen over the last couple of months and really throughout all of 2021, but it's still important to address. Like I said, this is the least exciting out of the catalyst. In September of 2021, Bitcoin futures have traded below the price of an actual Bitcoin, when typically we see them trading at a premium, meaning that they're selling for more than the actual price of Bitcoin. And this is important because it shows that there is lower demand for Bitcoin from institutional investors. On the other hand, though, what we're seeing is that institutional investors have begun to steadily pivot to Ethereum in terms of reports from CoinShares that have come out that we've gone over. In terms of investing in Bitcoin Ethereum futures, we're continuing to see them pivot to Ethereum because of the network effect, because of the benefits from DeFi and other aspects that they like to it as well. And this points to a much healthier demand for Ethereum versus Bitcoin right now, that we're seeing this pivot continue to take place. We're seeing Ethereum futures go up and we're seeing Bitcoin futures go down. Second thing going on right now is with regards to the amount of Ethereum that has been staked. For the first time ever, we are seeing Ethereum that has been staked for ETH 2.0 reach all-time record highs. Back in November of 2020, when this was first announced that you could stake Ethereum, we have seen it increase to where it is now at almost 8 million Ethereum. 8 million Ether have been staked, and this is huge because this shows us that people believe in Ethereum long-term. They're believing in proof of stake with ETH 2.0, and they think Ethereum has a great chance of being the dominant crypto in the DeFi space long-term. Because remember, staking means you're taking it off of exchanges. You're essentially locking it up for a period of time where you can't sell it. You're believing in it long-term. That is a great sign as well. We're seeing all-time record highs there. Before we get into the next topic, I want to just point this out because in our Patreon group, we did do a buy alert the other day when Bitcoin's price and Bitcoin Ethereum's price really took a massive hit. Ethereum dropped significantly more than the rest of the market when all the FUD came out of China. We put a buy alert in when it was less than $2,800 per coin. So if you guys would like to get these updates, make sure to join our Patreon group as well. Next topic is going to be with regards to Ethereum on exchanges. Right now, we are also seeing a record low for Ethereum on exchanges. You can see since September of 2020, we have seen consistently that Ethereum on exchanges has continued to decrease. That shows us that people are taking it off of exchanges, moving it to cold storage, and again, are believing in Ethereum long term. We are seeing an all-time record low for Ethereum on exchanges. Whether that means people are just moving into cold storage, buying NFTs, either way, they're taking it off of exchanges, meaning it's very hard to sell, and also meaning people are not planning on selling it anytime soon. And then lastly, what we're seeing with Ethereum right now is in terms of EIP 1559 and how much Ethereum has been burned. So far, we have seen almost $1.1 billion worth of Ethereum burned. For those of you who aren't familiar, this essentially means that this Ethereum is being taken out of the total active supply. Every time an Ethereum like Ether is burned, it's taken away from the total active supply, making Ethereum more of a deflationary asset. So all of these catalysts are extremely positive for Ethereum, between institutional investors, between Ethereum balanced on exchanges, between Ethereum being staked, and how much Ethereum is being burned. All of these are seeing record numbers, and we've never seen this before, and all of these are pointing to Ethereum reaching all-time record highs. It's not important what the actual price is of Ethereum right now. All we know is that all of these trends are pointing to a $10,000 to $15,000 Ethereum by the end of this bull cycle. So anyways, just wanted to let you know what's going on with Ethereum. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you guys.